Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of Singly Linked Lists with Python. In this episode we are going to see how to delete the node at a given position from a singly linked list, and that is quite easy. So def delete node self comma position. So if self dot head equals to none equals to none, so this is the condition where we are checking if the list is empty, then we are just going to go ahead and return. That's it. Okay, and this is the end of it for that particular condition. Otherwise I'm going to create a temporary variable self dot head, okay, where I'm storing the head as of now, and the contents of this temporary variable will definitely change once we start the execution. Now if we say that the head node is to be removed, so we can check that with if position equals to 0, then this is the logic. So let us say self dot head equals to temp dot next and temp equals to none, and finally return. For I in range position -1 and temp equals to temp dot next, and if temp is none then break it. So basically in this particular logic what we are doing is checking for the previous node of the node to be deleted, and if the position is more than the number of nodes that we have, so if temp is none or temp dot next is none, then return. Okay, and finally we are going to unlink the node, or before that let us say next equals to temp dot next dot next. So here we are reassigning the link next equals to temp dot next dot next. Finally we are going to say temp dot next is none, temp dot next equals to none. That is where we are unlinking the node from linked list. That's it. And we are again going to say temp dot next equals to next, and let us see how it works. So let's run this, or let us try to run this again. We need to make sure that this cell executed. Okay, so this cell executed without any error. Now let us go ahead and write the driver code, and that is going to be quite easy. And this time we are going to write the driver code from scratch, and it will be very, very exciting to see all the code that we have written working in action. So here a list equals to linked list, a list dot push 7, a list dot push 1, a list dot push 3 or 4. Again we will write actually a couple of push things. So let us add something unique, 9. Okay, 71429. So these are the contents, and a list dot print list. If I execute this, this is the content of that list, and I will say a list dot delete node of 2, and finally again I will try to print that list, and let us see what are the contents. So you can see that it has deleted this 4. So basically it is going to count from 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That is how we are actually indexing it. that linked list. That is why when we said 2, it actually deleted the stuff from the 4th position. And similarly, we can just say now delete node of 0. So it is going to delete the first node. So now we have here 9217. It should actually delete 9. And let me copy this and paste it. And yes, it has deleted 9. So this is how we can delete a node at a given position from a linked list. So the Jupyter notebook that we are using has become pretty large and big now. And in case you want to download it, you can find the link for the GitHub repository where I have uploaded it in the description section of this video. Do let me know if you want me to create some video on a particular topic in linked list or any topic of your choice. I will try my best to create that video. Thanks a lot once again for watching this video lecture, and I will see you in the next episode.